Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making corned beef rice. Very easy but yet delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I will add small amount of vegetable oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next I will add pork belly. This is totally optional. You can go ahead and fry your onions and other spices. I'll add minced ginger, seasoning powder, curry powder and thyme. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Next I will add onions, spring onions and corned beef. I will gently stir and add pepper, my well washed rice and carrots. I will stir and add butter, white pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. I will mix very well to combine and add water to cover the rice. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. Few minutes later, I check on the rice and it's ready. I'm going to stir very well to combine and we are done. This rice is super delicious, very simple and easy to make. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!